Hi, I'm Senator Mark Warner, and it's an honor to be able to speak to you today. First off, I want to thank today's hosts, the Virginia Space Grant Consortium, the Center for Innovative Technology, the Virginia Community College System, Virginia Tech, ODU, and NASA Langley. This conference would not be possible without all of you. As you all know, this is the first national conference focused on educating and training workers for the drone sector. This is very important to me because I've been working on promoting unmanned systems development in Virginia for several years now. And then with the work being done at Virginia Tech and on the Eastern Shore at WAPS and everywhere in between, I'm proud to say that Virginia has established itself as a leader in this industry. In the 1980s, I was lucky to be part of the wireless revolution with cell phones. And today I see many parallels between that initial boom in wireless technology and what's currently happening in the unmanned industry, particularly drones. In fact, much like cell phone, I think the industry in unmanned has the potential to completely transform how we live our lives. From agriculture to infrastructure maintenance to delivery jobs, the possibilities are endless. But other nations, like China, are investing heavily in drone technologies. And in order to keep Virginia on the cutting edge, we need to make sure that we have the workforce necessary to develop and maintain unmanned aircraft systems. It's important that young people learn the skills they need to enter this industry. That's why I've worked to establish the Center of Excellence for Community Colleges to build a skilled UAS workforce. The program makes sure the federal government works with community colleges to prepare students to be leaders in this cutting-edge technology. Before I go, I want to stress that there can be no boom in the drone industry without a UAS traffic management system. And as the FAA works to finalize key rules and form the backbone of this system, I hope that the regulatory environment will prioritize safety while ensuring that this transformative technology is not held back. Again, thanks for allowing me to speak today at this important conference. You all have the potential to create an ongoing collaboration and to prepare the drone workforce for jobs in a whole variety of fields. I hope you'll continue to count on me as a partner in advancing this industry, particularly here in Virginia. Thanks again, and have a great conference.
Hello everybody, Senator Tim Kaine here. I'm sorry I couldn't join you for your important conference. As you know, Virginia is leading the way in developing beneficial applications of small drones in maritime environments, in the insurance industry, for package delivery, for public safety, for use in agriculture and forestry, surveying, and other areas. Industry leaders are stepping up to engage with educational institutions and the government, and those partnerships can help prepare the workforce for productive advancements. I want to congratulate the many outstanding K-12 schools, school systems, community colleges, and universities from Virginia and other states who are here, along with industry reps and federal, state, and local government agencies. This includes K-12 panelists here from both the Hampton City and Montgomery County Public Schools, among others, who are already using small drones in their elementary and secondary school classrooms as part of exciting STEM education. You're fortunate to have Virginia Community College System Chancellor Glenn DuBois, a longtime friend, as a keynote speaker, and representatives from some of Virginia's outstanding two-year public colleges participating in the conference. And this includes Dabney S. Lancaster Community College, Germanna Community College, John Tyler Community College, Mountain Empire Community College, Northern Virginia Community College, Richard Bland College, and Thomas Nelson Community College. In addition, you have outstanding four-year institutions participating: Liberty University, Old Dominion University, Virginia Commonwealth University, and Virginia Tech. Now, as you've heard me list all these educational institutions, one thing that should occur to you is they are from all over the Commonwealth. This isn't just in one region. There's innovators in every corner of Virginia. I'm also pleased that the National Drone Industry Trade Association and the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International are participating in a major way in this conference. What is critically important is that you have the potential to launch at both the state and national level, an effort to ensure that educational institutions from K-12 through colleges and universities are engaged in preparing a pipeline of skilled workers to use drones in the workplace. As a member of the Education Committee in the Senate, this is very important to me. So the developments in this workplace development will have a positive impact on the nation for many years to come. I congratulate you on the first national conference focused on educating and training workers for the drone workforce of the future, and I look forward to hearing the results of the conference and partnering with you in advances in years to come. Thanks so much.